Khandita Naika, na manungi, which means I'm not going to listen to you anymore. No matter what happens, you have no right to be where you are right now. She's saying this in anger. She's decided that she's not going to listen to any of his excuses anymore. She says, where were you? The sun rose and now the moon's down as well. The birds are out. All this while, where were you? Were you with another woman? Is that where you are? Then please go. Jao ji wo to apne ras ke, which means you think you're a very superior person. Look at the mirror. I agree, you are a handsome man. But what about me? I am beautiful too. So, it's my decision. Please go. Khandita Naika, na manungi. No. No way. I am not going to listen to you. You are not welcome here. Where were you? I was waiting for you. You know, morning, the sun rose and the moon came to do the whole 24 hours. The birds can be heard. It's early hours of the morning. Where were you? Were you with another woman? If that's true, then go. Please go. I don't need you here. What do you think? You are very superior to me. Look at the mirror. You are a handsome man, but I am beautiful too. Therefore, just go. Go away.
मैं मनाए बिना न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी। मैं तो उनके मनाए बिना न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी। मैं तो उनके मनाए बिना न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी। जाओ जी वो तो अपने रस के। जाओ जी वो तो अपने रस के रसिया। न जाऊंगी, न जाऊंगी, न जाऊंगी। मैं तो उनके बुलाए बिना न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी। मैं तो उनके मनाए बिना न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी। लाख जतन करे मानत नहीं, लाख जतन करे मानत नहीं। मनाऊंगी, मनाऊंगी, मनाऊंगी। मैं तो उनको सताए बिना न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी। मैं तो उनको सताए बिना न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी। मैं तो उनको मनाए बिना न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी, न मानूंगी।